Hello, love, welcome. We've got... Fuck! Not a thought in my head of what I'm creating. Words coming together, then backing. I don't know why I'm hesitating. Why? Another day. Anarchy. Another day. Anarchy. Coming back to unwind and leave your worries behind. Come closer, baby, I got you, I'm waiting. Whisper it in your ear till it arise in your dreams, life, or eyes. Anarchy. This isn't reality, just a gauge of shells. Mental gymnastics, eroding decaying, imagining fragments of ties and entanglements that aren't there. Burn the analogy, I mean anatomy, I mean anarchy. Anarchy. Wake up. Yes. Let's go! I don't know what I'm saying, all I know, I'm decaying. Life is erasing. Gone. My mind is now spacing. Blazing. Eyes are now hazy and filled with anarchy. Not a worry at all. I hope that it falls down. What are you even speaking of? Don't worry yourself about it. It's crumbling fall. What in the world is happening? It's all the calamity. The walls are now passively eroding like plastic things. The sky is falling. Burning me, it's burning these things that I hate, including me. Sometimes I can't lie, I fucked up a few times, and I'll continue to cause casualties from my anarchy. 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 I'm sorry. Not sorry. Anarchy. Only a little take it early.